Welcome back, my friends. Today, we step into the heat of the emotional tone scale. It's anger. After fear comes fire. Anger shows up when we feel pushed, disrespected, or unheard. It's loud and it's sharp and it often scares people away. But what if anger isn't the enemy? What if it's a signal that we are ready to fight for something we care about? Meet Sam, a passionate startup founder with a vision to change the world. But under pressure, when things didn't go as planned, Sam exploded. He snapped at his team, micromanaged everything, and blamed others when the problems came up. People started to avoid him. One teammate even quit. But here's the twist. Sam wasn't a bad leader. He was scared. His anger was covering up a deep fear of failure, of being seen as incompetent, of losing the dream he had built from scratch. I know that fire too. There was a time in my journey when I felt like no one understood the weight I was carrying. And instead of saying it, I'm overwhelmed, I snapped. Look back, I realized anger was my shield. I know that fire too. There was times in my journey when I felt like no one could understood the way that I was carrying. And instead of saying that I'm overwhelmed, I just snapped instead. Looking back, I realized that anger was my shield. It felt powerful, but underneath, it was hurting. I was hurting. I wanted support and not a fight. In The Problems of Work, Hubbard describes anger as a tone where energy returns with force, but without direction. Communication becomes aggressive. Affinity is used as a weapon. We get sarcastic, cutting, or controlling, right? Reality becomes wrapped by blame. But here's the truth. Anger means the person still believes that something can be done. They just feel like no one is listening. One of the best ways to move out of anger is to rechannel it into intention. You ask yourself, what am I really fighting for? What's the value behind this reaction? Is there a better way to protect it? In Sam's case, once he realized that he was afraid of letting his team down, then he's not mad at them. He started to having open conversations instead of outbursts. His team felt respected. He got better results. The fire became fuel. So anger isn't bad. It's just loud. It means you still care. And when you learn how to listen to the message beneath it, you don't just avoid damage. You will build power. Power with direction. Power that leads. So now the question is, have you ever said something in anger that you wish you could take it back? Or did anger ever push you to finally make a change that you were afraid of? Tell me in the comments what anger taught you about yourself. Next episode, we are stepping into a quieter place. It's boredom, where nothing is wrong, but nothing feels exciting either. I will see you there.